One way to create slides is by using the traditional slide method, by using Microsoft PowerPoint and so forth. Another way to create interesting presentation is through Prezi, which is a new way to actually do your presentation in a non-linear fashion. For example, there's the Prezi Getting Started slide over here, right here. So this is an online application which you can use, so you'll have to use it online. Everything is backed up online, which makes it easy as well. The new one that Prezi has introduced is called Prezi Next, and there's another one which is Prezi Classic, but they are gonna make that obsolete soon. So we're gonna focus our lesson here on Prezi Next itself. So you can see that this is a Prezi slide right here. So you can press the arrow keys over here. Let me just press right arrow key, and you can see that it actually zooms in different parts, and it is not like how the traditional slides work. So if I were to use my mouse scroll out button right here, so you can see that I can scroll out. So let's say I want to go into this section right here, I can simply zoom in, and there you go. So I can zoom in right there, and so everything just like that. You can go to the different navigation points right here from the timeline as well, as you can see right here. So you can see that Prezi can make great presentations just like that. And the good thing about it is easy. So in the next few lessons, we are going to learn how to use Prezi and make awesome presentations out of it for non-linear type of presentation. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.